everyone, this is Padlock. Welcome to my channel and welcome to vlog 78 of the hashtag 365 hour series. Today's lock is a Spear and Jackson long shackle. I'm just going to show it working. That's the key, that's the bit of the key. Works lovely. So I'm going to stick this one in the vise because I think it'll be easier for me to get it in the vise. I'm not going to keep the tension, keep slipping out like it tends to do when I pick in the hand. So we'll go 40 thou, bottom of the keyway. And we're open. Didn't take too long, did it? So, the Spear and Jackson long shackle. I've opened the smaller version of this previously, but never got this one on camera, I don't think. It's hard to remember a lot of the time. I've done so many now. But yeah, happy with that. Another SPP in the bag. Another little practice session recorded. I hope everyone's enjoying their day and getting plenty of picking in. That's it from me today. Hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you later.